Hi, I'm Simone with Team Gabriel Caldwell Banker. I'm standing at our newest listing, 6 Dover Road in Enfield, Connecticut. This house is wonderful. It's a raised ranch, it's got a level yard, a new driveway, and an in-ground pool. Come on in and we'll take a look. Has brand new wood stair treads, wood floors in the living room, beautiful, open, bright and sunny living room. It opens right up into a spacious dining room. The kitchen has new stainless steel appliances. It also has a beautiful sunroom. Finished lower level with fireplace. This house has 3 bedrooms. It has hardwood floors. Two and a half baths. Oh look, my teammate Lori just showed up.
So Simone, I'm so excited about this new listing.
Me
it's an
too.
adorable raised ranch.
Love it. So many highlights. In the kitchen it has new stainless steel appliances.
Gotta have them.
Tile floor.
Yep, love it. And it actually has some accents like surrounding.
Yes,
really
all around the outer edge.
Yep,
very nice.
Dining room and living room and family room. So there's so much room to spread out.
It has a beautiful sunroom.
I love the sunroom.
The sunroom, I think, is what sells this house. With cathedral ceilings. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks out over the in-ground pool, where you can spend lots of warm days. It's all fenced in. The lower level is great. It has a fireplace with a raised hearth. It has heat down there. It's all finished. It has a little room where they have a bar area.
The 4 new
mini splits.
Yeah.
So you can have central air and heat. New boiler system, brand new driveway, which big ticket items have already been updated.
Yep, such as vinyl siding.
Vinyl siding, it has tilts-in windows. So many positives here, and it's on a nice quiet street.
You have a large family or you need to
a growing family.
This is the place
This is your house. So if you'd like more information or to see this house for a private showing, reach out to me, 860-926-5141, or you can email me, simone@teamgabriel.net. I look forward to hearing from you.